YouTube, Benny in this thing, changing the spark plug. Boy, that mug burnt, boy. Sheesh, thing burnt. Y'all see, I got the tire off too. I got a new chain right over there. I take this old one off. This thing all dusty. But yeah, got the new one. It's the old one. Out with the old. And with the brand new, spanking new. Sheesh. Let me get back to y'all when I get this thing. Alright, so we got the spark plug in. This spark plug. Now I gotta do, put this right back in there. Put that thing right back on now. Now I'm gonna put this passage back on and get back to y'all. Bye. So it's been like 2 hours. Just got this new chain on. Perfect. Bike a little dirty, gotta wash it. But this thing ready to ride. Time to get back in the streets. I've been on the bike for about 2 months now. Long overdue. We back, baby. We'll catch y'all later.